Hello everyone. So this video is part of our columns and the rows topic. So in this video we will understand more about the rows. What are rows? What are the uses of the rows? How you can do various tasks on the rows, right? So let's understand all the things. Okay. So in the previous videos we have covered the columns about the columns. So this is going to be the next video of that section. So I would suggest you to, if you have not watched the previous video, please go and do watch them because it's very important to learn every topic. Right? So that's how you make your things better and understanding better, right? About various topics. So let's begin this by understanding the rows. What are the rows? So it's very important for us to understand the rows first. What are the rows? So rows are the thing basically in Excel sheet, right? So basically worksheet is made of columns and the rows and the cells also. But in this video we will understanding the rows. So what are the rows? So basically rows are a collection of cells, right? Aligned horizontally, right? So rows are basically a collection of cells aligned horizontally. What are rows? Suppose if I click here, so this is a row. This is one row. This is one row. This is row number 10. This is row number 11. This is row number 9. And each row has its own identity, which is identified by its name that begins with numbers, right? So if you see here, each row has its own name and its name is known by the number, right? This is row number 1, this is row number 2, this is row number 3, this is row number 11, right? This is row number 18. So this is how we know the rows. Suppose if I am here, so where I am? I am in row number 11, right? So this is how we understand the rows, right? So okay, we have understood the rows, right? Now we'll do some tasks on the rows. Okay, let's begin this by understanding. First of all, we understand how you can select the row, right? And hide the row, unhide, delete, insert, and resize. We will perform all these action with the help of the mouse and with the help of the keyboard shortcut also. Right, guys? It's very important. So, okay. Can you see a light over here on my face? It's a sun sign which is coming. Okay. I'm just trying to get rid of it, but it's not letting me. No problem. I hope there's no problem with you guys. Okay, so let's understand how you can select the rows, right? Just give me a moment. So first of all, we will see how we can select the rows. So it's very simple. Let me just go back to our data set. This is the same data which we used in the previous video. So what we'll be doing, we'll be selecting the row. Suppose if I want to select the row. So why do we need to select the row basically? So let me just tell you that if you want to perform any task, if you want to perform any action in Excel, no, so you need to make some selections first, right? So that's why we select. Okay, so let's select row number 22. So how will you do that? So you need to just come here at the column heading. Sorry, my bad. So we have just covered the column topic. No, that's why it's still hitting on my mind. Okay, so these are rows. So what you need to do if you want to select any particular row, you need to just click on its header. This is a row header, row name. You just need to click on the row name basically. If I just bring my cursor here, my mouse pointer here, it becomes a small arrow which is pointing towards right side. So black arrow and which is pointing towards right side. What does it mean? It will select, if you click here, no, it will select the entire row from here to here basically. So it will select the entire row till the from the end first point to the end point, right? This is how you can select the row with the help of the mouse. Suppose if I click here at the row number 3, what happens? Entire row gets selected. This is how you can select the row. So this is a shortcut command to select the row, which is what you need to do. You need to press the shift plus space bar from the keyboard. What I've just done, I've just pressed the shift plus space bar from my keyboard and this entire row gets selected. right? Let me just show it to you. This is a keyboard. Everyone knows where is the keyboard, right? And from a keyboard, you need to press the shift button. Shift. Suppose I bring my cursor here and shift and the space bar. Your entire row gets selected. Correct? So first you need to just put your cursor or put your pointer in the same row which you want to select entirely. Then press the shift or and the space bar from the keyboard. That's how you select the entire row, right? Let me just write it here so that it's easier for you to understand. Space bar to select the entire row. Select entire. Let me just put this entire word out here. Select entire row with the help of the shift plus space bar, right? To hide the row. If you want to hide any particular row, how to do that? Suppose we have some data here and let me just put it hide. So I want to hide this row and this is row number 25. We want to hide it. How will you do that? Very simple. Just right click on its name by first select it. Just right click and click on the hide button. It's very simple. This is how you can hide the row. Correct. It's hidden, right? If you want to unhide it, what you need to do? So as I told you in the earlier video, so how will you find out whether if any row in your sheet is hidden? So if you see, come here, see 24, 20, 25 is missing. What does it mean? 25 is not deleted. It's not removed. It's there only, but it's hidden, right? Nothing gets deleted. No, not even column, not even row gets deleted from your Excel sheet. Only the data gets deleted, right? That need to just, make sure. Not make sure, basically, make a point of this particular thing. So what does it mean? 25th row number is hidden. How to make it how to make it visible again? Just select the top row and the bottom row. Not the extreme bottom row, but basically the next bottom row. This is top row of the hidden and this is the bottom row of the hidden row. Select both of them, right click and click on the unhide. It's simple. You make the 25th row unhide. Right? This is how you can unhide the row. We have seen. There's a one more way. So just click here, go in the home tab, right? Under the home tab, go in the format section. Under the format section, go here, hidden and hide. It's very simple. Click on the hide rows. It will get hidden. You want to make it and hide. Select these two row 25 and 26. You need to select the top and the bottom of the hidden row, right? And click under go on the home tab, the sales group, format section, click hide and unhide rows. Very simple. Click on this unhide row. See it comes back again. This is how you can hide and unhide. This is we have what we have just seen. What is the shortcut key to hide the row? Okay. So if you want to hide any particular row, you need to press the control plus 9 from your keyboard. This is to unhide the row. If you want to unhide it, then you need to press control plus shift plus 9. That's how you unhide it. But first of all, select it, then unhide it. Sorry, select it, then hide it. And if you want to unhide the row, so first you need to select the top row and the bottom row of the hidden row. So then only you would be able to unhide the row, right? Let's go back to the sheet. Suppose we want to hide the sheet. Now what I'll do, I'll just use the keyboard shortcut. So what is it? To hide, control 9. So what I'll do, let me just bring the keyboard here. This is a keyboard. The same you will find in your system. So what we'll do, we'll just press the control and I'll just press the first wing to select. We have selected by pressing shift plus space bar. And now what we need to do, we need to just press the control and the 9 from the keyboard. See, your row is hidden. If you want to make it unhide, just select the top and the bottom row, right? Select it and press control shift from and 9 again. It becomes visible. This is how you can hide and unhide the row, right? This is one way to hide and unhide. There are many ways to unhide. There's one more way basically. Shortcut key. Alt plus H plus O plus U plus R. This is how we can hide the row. And similarly, if you want to unhide it, you need to press the O button from the keyboard. Let me just make it capital. Okay. Alt plus H plus O plus O E plus O. This is how you can unhide it. This is how you can hide it, right? Okay. So let's make it Alt Hour. See, it's hidden. Suppose you want to bring it back, select the both top and the bottom row. Alt U, and what do we need to press? Will tell me. Oh, the hidden rows are back, right? This is how you can hide and unhide the rows. Right? Suppose if you want to hide the multiple rows together, suppose we have these number of rows and you want to hide all of these in one shot. How will you do that? First, select all of them. How will you select that? Just select with the what I'm doing. I just press the shift button and bring my cursor here, pointer, and press the shift key, and using the down arrow key, all the cells got selected. What I need to keep the shift press button pressed and press the space bar. The row gets selected, entire row. And now how will you hide it? Press the control button from my keyboard and press the 9. See, all the rows are hidden. See, after 24, we can just see 29. What does it mean? Where are the other rows? They are hidden. If you want to unhide them, select the top row and the bottom row of the hidden rows, right? And select the entire row and unhide it with the help of Control Shift plus 9. This is how we can hide and unhide the rows, right? We have just seen that. Now, how to delete the rows basically. Okay, so I think we should cover the rest of the topic in the next video, no? What will happen actually? Else it will become a boring video for you guys. So, okay, so let me just cover rest of the topic in the next video, guys. Okay, so see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.